J Mac from Syracuse, New York. Man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
And then we got you the for the bus. We got
The bus will be here shortly.
we got this for you guys and cards.
And a sweater.
Yeah.
We're going to enjoy this on the bus. We'll use it, today, of course, but for the Kansas trip as well.
Well, there's a little shot in there for you guys, so you don't have to open that. And then playing cards are in there for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
And
Hugs.
I have one for the bus driver too.
Kenny Highways, you got one too.
Kenny Highways.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Love you guys.
Love you.
Kind of felt like it was us against the world.
Don't change. All the way from New Jersey. Been down with Coach Prime since Prime had the curl with the Yankees.
Yeah.
It looked wet.
Yeah, but it was dry. Just like mine. You know what I'm saying? That's why I wear it like that, baby. I seen them out there in Ridgewood, New Jersey. I went to the book signing.
Yeah.
That was my birthday gift, bro. That was my birthday. I said, oh, shit, Mom, get me out there. My wife was like,
Look at it now.
but there was the flavor now.
The Prime effect.
Prime effect, baby. Number one.
What's your name?
Logan.
Where you from, Logan?
Alola.
And what brings you out today?
To see players and see you kick Utah's butt.
And you want to see Travis Hunter?
Yes.
I'm going to bring Travis Hunter by here.
Thank you.
You wear number 12?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to bring him by here. Be ready.
Thank you. Let's go, CU! Let's go, Colorado! Let's go, Colorado! Let's go, CU!
Turned it on you quick for an old man. What up, man?
People that broke her like you for some reason. The lady.
Oh, hey, you guys want to yeah?
Hello, we appreciate you. Want to say something? Just have to be here. First
You've been talking 30 minutes.
BJ!
Virginia?
Hey, yes. Go Buffs!
Straight from ATL, Uncle Neely, we're huge fans. We're witnessing history.
Yes, we are.
So thank you for
got
capturing
you.
all these moments. We
Thank you.
appreciate
You're
you,
welcome.
Uncle Neely.
That's on me, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's happening?
Yella Beezy back in house. Long time supporter, Coach Prime.
For sure. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the deal? What's the dealio?
Man, you know, a lot of hate was early in the season, but now some love out there.
Man, you know they always gonna flip flop when they see the grass is green on the other side is when they try to come slide on there. You know.
Yeah.
But you know that's how I go. That's just that's part of the game, man.
Why is it important to you, Beezy, to keep supporting Coach Prime? Jackson State, first year here, this year, no matter what.
Oh man, he just an authentic guy. You know what I'm saying? He always been a person that's gonna support you. So I gotta support who gonna support me. Been genuine, like behind closed doors. You can't count blessings in favor. So you know I'm always supporting him. He got me wherever he go.
Now this one is more a personal question for me. What we gonna do about our Cowboys, man?
Jerry needs to listen, man. Jerry got to listen to the world, not just the world, but the team, and see what's going on, man. You know, it's fill in the gaps, fill in the space. That's all you got to do. Where you see we lacking there, you got to fill in, man. That's just it.
My man, Beezy.
There we go, good, good. There we go, good, good. Good shot. Come on. Get your hands on it. Go back. There go. Strike. Good. There you go. There you go. There you go. I love you, but it's kind of safe stuff.
Yes, sir.
You can't help. You can't help. Hey, we're gonna get him.
Somewhere.
Yeah, we wait or what?
Yeah.
I think we wait.
It's coming out. It's coming out.
How are you?
Coach Murray, you're
Mish, how you doing, sir? How you doing? No complaints. I got you.
Good. How you been, man?
I cannot complain, bro.
What's up, man? I told him they gotta give it this year. He told me, man, if you don't want to meet with I told you, that's why I hooked it up. All you gotta do is get on, man. Listen, man, you see what's going on, man. We out here in Colorado, man. We day ones, we lifers. From Jackson all the way here, you listen, man, it's a long way, man. A lot of people ain't believe, we believed. We was there when nobody even knew what was going on. We was there. Me and this guy was there. Me and Crazy, man, we was there. He getting penalties. First, listen, he probably the first sideline person to ever get a penalty. Right here. You know what I'm saying? But it's going down. We in Colorado. I'm talking about the big show. We right here, man. The biggest show on
Shout out
earth.
to Coach Prime, because the doubters didn't believe he could do it. And he proving the doubters wrong. And he's showing you that hard work, dedication, you can do anything.
Commitment. Not worrying about the haters, because the haters is your marketing team. Let them work, baby. Let them haters work, baby. That's your PR, baby. Don't be worrying about that. They gonna talk. If you not doing nothing, they ain't talking, baby. That's what it's about. Colorado's go buff. We out here, it's going down, baby. And it's just like that.
Commissioner, Big 12 is looking good.
Listen, it's unfolding just the way we said it would. You know, around Media Day in Vegas, we said deepest conference in America. Certain schools will emerge as the season goes on, and the month of November is going to be magical because a lot of different scenarios will play out relative to who's going to show up in Arlington on that first weekend in December. What Colorado's doing is fantastic. It's great for college football, it's great for our conference, and it's keeping us very relevant, and it's obviously developing a great national narrative for us. So thrilled to be here today.
You know, absolutely. When you talk about what's possible with this conference, mathematically a lot of teams are still in it.
A lot of different scenarios. I mean, I didn't look at my numbers yet, but last week 14 out of 16 schools were still in contention for the champ game, which again validates what I've been saying all along and what everyone's been saying about the deepest conference in America with a lot of parity.
Well, we're looking forward to a Big 12 championship in Dallas. After that, what's next for the conference?
Well, listen, we're just getting started. You know, when I think about our conference, we're like a mature startup. When you think about us versus some of the other conferences, we're only 29 years old. We're just getting started. Obviously, we've had 8 new members within the last 2 years, so we're not the best version of ourselves, but we're working towards it. And we're going to break boundaries. We're going to disrupt in a positive way. We're going to continue the momentum that we're building, and you know, all of our schools, 16 strong, are on board for the future, and our best days are ahead.
Here's the positive disruption.
Positive disruption.
Game day. Game day.
Big Bird.
Bucket. Everybody run. Bucket. Everybody run. Big hit.
6-6, go to work. Let's go, Pope. Hey, you bring that hat
I know you had that kind of game. You can't underestimate me. Hey. You can't underestimate me. Hey, you respect my respect for you. Way up here. You're way up with the greats. Way up. Crazy. Beat the flow, eating the banshee. Oh, big. Oh! Oh, big. Oh, he ain't focused. Oh, ever since he got that YC nickname, he ain't been the same. Ever since they started calling him YC, he ain't been the same. Hey, that was horrible. Huh? That was horrible. That was horrible. He ain't been the same since they started calling him YC, man. So he got a nickname.
Into the cold.
Ocho Cinco is in the building.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know, I know what brings you out, your relationship with Coach Prime, but speak on it.
Listen, man, Prime and I, we've been friends. He's been a father figure for me for many years outside of the game of football. Someone that I confide in and trust in with personal issues, just life in general. So I had an off weekend, from work, so I had to come out here and support. And it's an amazing atmosphere. I'm glad to be here.
You know, a lot of people didn't think he would be where he is, but you always believed it.
Yeah, I always believed it. Most definitely. Everywhere Prime goes, it turns a goal. Obviously, if you watch his resume when it came to football, what he's done off the field, any program he's been around, there's been success behind it. So it's an understanding wherever he goes, you know what's to come, success.
This is a team that truly controls his own destiny. What are you looking for Colorado to get a victory today?
I mean, I think Colorado will be fine today. Just discipline, execution in all three phases of the game, offense, special team, and defense. I think they'll be fine. I believe they have a chance to make the Big 12 championship.
Personally, one thing I learned from you while you were playing, it starts with your feet.
Yeah, always. Always start with your feet.
Appreciate you, bro. Much love, man.
You got moments I think that just feel like this divine, it's designed. Some things, faith without works we know is dead, but some things, just feel just right. And this is one of those times in athletics for me. Growing up as an athlete, this moment feels like it's destined. It feels like it's preordained. I believe in predestination. I know God knows all things, but I believe some things God can put in motion for us. We got to go get them. I think this is a divine moment, making history. God has moments for you too, but this is the moments for the Buffs. It's destiny. Watch it unfold. Peace.
The perfect setting for your event by visiting FolsomFieldEvents.com today.
How we go? Let's go, goddammit! Let's go!
Involving indigenous people is considered sacred. For millennia, we cared for Native people by providing food, shelter, clothing, tools, and ceremonial items. The buffalo is recognized by the Native people as a relative. Has the largest big species in grassland prairies. Western lizard.
My man Haley.
How you doing, bro?
Been a while since I talked to you at Jackson State when Prime was there.
Hey, it's been a minute, huh?
It has. Talk about what Coach Prime is accomplishing here in Colorado.
Hey, it's what he accomplished at Jackson State and here. He brought the winning culture. He brought players in that knows how to win. He brought character in.
Also made some changes at coaches.
Hey, it is what it is, right? Hey, if you're going to be the best at anything, change is going to happen.
We appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
My man.
Racist, sexist language, or other intimidating actions directed at student athletes, fans, officials, or team representatives will not be tolerated and will result in your removal from Folsom Field. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free today at cubuffs.com/NIL. Go Buffs! Remember, fans, that alcohol sales are available at Folsom Field for fans aged 21 and older. Our partners at the Delavere remind you to drink responsibly and enjoy the game. Attention CU alumni, Buff Club members and fans. Cement your place in CU history and become a permanent part of our Buffs Walk with your own personalized brick. The Buff Walk, located on the east side of Folsom Field, stands as a testament to the unwavering support and dedication of the CU community. With Phase 3 of this campaign, we invite you to be a part of the Buff Walk and leave an everlasting legacy at CU. A personalized brick is the perfect way to commemorate a friend, family member, teammate, or cherished CU memory. Your charitable contribution will not only elevate your status as a Buff Club member, but it also directly impacts our 350-plus student athletes. Secure your brick now while supplies last and order today. For more information, visit buffwalkbricks.com. Calling all teachers and college students. You can save an extra 5% every day at Safeway. Just text the keyword Safeway student or Safeway teacher to 48687 for easy verification. Then clip your monthly coupon and enjoy the 5% extra savings every day as a Safeway for You member. Safeway, the official grocer of your Colorado Buffaloes. This side-by-side comparison presented by NerdWallet.
Are you ready?
Compare top financial products side by side on NerdWallet. Fans, scan the QR code on the video board now to download today's digital game program.
CU Athletics welcomes you to today's event. As student athletes and coaches, we acknowledge and celebrate the diversity of everyone. We recognize that we all come from different backgrounds and lived experiences.
As fans, we expect to respect those on the competition, surfaces, and the stands.
You can create an inclusive environment by respecting everyone's differences and treating others how they want to be treated.
Stand shoulder to shoulder with us against hateful language, harassment, and discrimination. Thank you, and go Buffs.
Starters for your Sponsored by Children's Hospital Colorado. Defensive end, a sophomore, number 93, Samuel Ocho.
I did, though, didn't I?
And defensive tackle, a graduate student, number 99.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.